Ethereum value equivalent to $1793 a coin. The present reach: $1,773, $1,804. The earlier day close: $1,804. The change was 0.61%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value equivalent to $1793 a coin. The present reach: $1,773, $1,804. The earlier day close: $1,804. The change was 0.61%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at $1671. Greatest cost $1,950, least cost $1,538. The normal for the month $1,745. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,822, change for October 9.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Before all else, cost at $1822. Most extreme cost $2,261, least cost $1,712. The normal for the month $1,909. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,841, change for November 1.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $1841. Most extreme cost $2,000, least cost $1,738. The normal for the month $1,862. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,869, change for December 1.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place, cost at $1869. Greatest cost $1,869, least cost $1,541. The normal for the month $1,734. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,657, change for January 11.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $1657. Greatest cost $1,702, least cost $1,480. The normal for the month $1,608. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,591, change for February 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at $1591. Most extreme cost $1,756, least cost $1,526. The normal for the month $1,629. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,641, change for spring 3.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $1641. Most extreme cost $1,759, least cost $1,529. The normal for the month $1,643. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,644, change for April 0.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at $1644. Greatest cost $1,806, least cost $1,570. The normal for the month $1,677. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,688, change for May 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $1688. Greatest cost $2,055, least cost $1,688. The normal for the month $1,838. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,921, change for June 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. To start with, cost at $1921. Greatest cost $2,079, least cost $1,807. The normal for the month $1,938. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,943, change for July 1.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $1943. Most extreme cost $2,412, least cost $1,943. The normal for the month $2,138. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,254, change for August 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place cost at $22.54. Greatest cost $2,254, least cost $1,940. The normal for the month $2,134. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,086, change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $20.86. Greatest cost $2,086, least cost $1,629. The normal for the month $1,888. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,752, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $12.17. Most extreme cost $1,217, least cost $989. The normal for the month $1,122. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,063, change for December 12.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $10.63. Most extreme cost $1,319, least cost $1,063. The normal for the month $1,170. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,233, change for January 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $12.33. Greatest cost $1,466, least cost $1,233. The normal for the month $1,326. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,370, change for February 11.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $13.70. Greatest cost $1,370, least cost $1,071. The normal for the month $1,241. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,152, change for spring 15.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $11.52. Most extreme cost $1,203, least cost $1,045. The normal for the month $1,131. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,124, change for April 2.4%.